So today was about dictionaries in Python. I solved a couple of problems and quizzes, but the goal of the day was to build this program which kind of helps to organize a silent auction. So imagine this. There's this one machine with this program loaded on it, and one by one all have to go and bid their bid. So you go and enter your name and bid, and when program asked, is there any more bidders? You need to enter yes. And then the program clears the screen for the next bidder, and same way for all of them. And when the last bidder goes, he needs to press no after bidding. And then the highest bid is calculated by the program and displayed on the screen.